Okay, so whenever you've got such questions, right, all you got to do is that you got to assume something. But first thing is that it's an AP, right? So generally assume the first term as A and the common difference as D. So this is your first term, this is your common difference. Using this, you can form some equations here. So this is t100, so this is actually A plus 99D. I'm assuming you understand all this. Like this is the 100th term, 400. And similarly, A plus 399D would be actually equal to 1 upon 100. So as you can see, this there are two equations, right? And then I can subtract this from this. Then I get 300D equals to 1 upon 100 minus 1 upon 400. Right, so this is gonna be 400 and then 4 minus 1, which is 3 by 400. So D is come out to be 1 upon 4 and then 40,000 it seems. Okay, this is what it is. Come out. 3 is cancelled, yeah. So now they're saying that the kth term is 1. Okay, so the kth term is 1, meaning that using this you need to find out some of the values too. So let's find out A as well from here. So your A would be 1 upon 400 minus 99 upon 40,000. So 40,000 is your LCM. So this is become 100 minus 99. So your A has come out to be 1 upon 40,000 as well, it seems. 100. Yeah, that's how it is looking like. Now, what has to happen is that the kth term is 1. It means that A plus K minus 1 into D is actually 1. So we need to find out what is this K. So my A and D both are equal, right? So I'm just writing A plus KD minus D equals to 1. So A and D are both equal, so I'm just taking them out. So D is 1 upon K, but K is 1 upon D. Now what are they asking me to do? They're asking me square root of K upon 40 is they're asking. So meaning that K is actually 40,000. Now my square root of K upon D is gonna be 200 upon 50, which is gonna be 4.